Hello, and welcome to Quickgen Technologies, where it all starts with an idea. Here is Quickcom, a smart device that makes dumb radio sets really smart. We take your project requirement document and turn it into a structured feasibility report, highlighting the key areas in the design and the approach to follow. Then we set up the milestones for each project, with a key approval stage defined after every one. Let's begin with week 1 of Quickcom. You've got a unique product idea, you say, and it has something we haven't built before. No worries. We can test it all out on the bench, block by block. No guessing. It's pure engineering. Then we finalize the architecture diagram and move on to the macro BOM selection. Once it's approved, we move to week 2 where things get fun. We lay out the schematic diagram, each section clear and confirmed to work to spec. Control systems, power, sensors, connectivity, all sorted. Then each analog and digital section is simulated on multisim. Every power calculation done down to the microamp, while our procurement team guarantees parts availability and confirms the vendors. And before the PCB is finalized, our industrial experts get to work on the enclosure in SolidWorks, making sure each part is an exact fit, true to the design guidelines and our manufacturing capability. It's week 3. The fit is approved and now it's time to lay out the PCB. Hundreds of connections, drawn with precision. A true work of art. Before we hit manufacturing, we check the DRC, thermals, EMI, EMC, and signal integrity on our MVP1, making sure your board performs the same, even after 1,000 cycles. Once that's done, the design goes to our manufacturing partners, who give us the green light on DFM. No reworks, no spending thousands on adjustments. And finally, your idea becomes a fully manufactured, ready-to-market product, scaled to the thousands. Quickgen Technologies, where you dream it and we build it. Map your build free at qgtbuild.com or reach out at quickgentech.com and let's take your idea from what exists in your mind to the market.